Good day and welcome back to Zero Waste Kitchen. I have some roasted beets from earlier this week, and today I'm going to prepare a chopped salad paying homage to the Provence region of France. Recipe is down below, so let's get started. First, let's pour a quarter cup of red wine vinegar, a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, a teaspoon of maple syrup, a teaspoon of dried thyme, a dash or two of salt in a small bowl, and stir to combine. Next, let's thinly slice carrots. I like to use a mandoline on a very thin setting so all the pieces are uniform. Toss that into a mixing bowl and let's do the same to celery and onion, except let's also mince the onion. Add in a quarter cup of sunflower seeds or walnuts. And finally, chop roasted beets into small cubes and also place them in the bowl. Add in the dressing and stir until the entire salad is thoroughly mixed. Your salad should be a beautiful bright pink hue. For a variation, if you have any cooked grains in your refrigerator, especially rice, add a cup or two into your salad and combine. The Provencal salad is best served at room temperature. Enjoy!